Hormones as regulators. When the secretion of hormones is under the control of other hormones, it is known as feedback control. It can be of two types: positive feedback control and negative feedback control. The positive feedback control, in this process, the end products of action cause more of action to occur in a feedback loop. For example, blood clotting and menstrual cycle. The negative feedback control, in this type of regulation, the end of the product of process reduce the stimulus of that same process. For example, temperature regulation and regulation of blood sugar. Negative feedback regulates most hormones, in which the hormones feedback to reduce its own development, while the positive feedback is less common since it leads situation to become more intense. Hormones regulate a wide range of cell function, making them crucial for maintaining homeostasis. Hormones are controlled through feedback mechanism. A feedback mechanism is a loop in which a product sends back information in order to regulate its own production. Negative feedback loops are included in hormone feedback processes. Negative feedback keeps a hormone's concentration within a small range. Hypothalamus secretes thyrotropin releasing hormone, or TRH, which regulates the thyroid. Thyroid stimulating hormone, or TSH, is produced in response to TRH. Thyroid hormones feedback to stop the hypothalamus from secreting TRH and the pituitary from secreting TSH when the amount of thyroid hormones is high enough. A product feeds back to reduce its own development. It is called negative feedback. This form of regulation can be seen in thyroid gland. The negative feedback loop keeps in control. There is never-ending cycle of events in negative feedback. It reacts when the condition varies from of the set point and returns the situation to the optimum point. A product feeds back to increase its own production. It is called positive feedback. Prolactin promotes the production of milk by the mammary glands, causing the baby to suckle more. More prolactin is produced as a result of this. More milk is usually created. This is an example of one of the human's body few positive feedback mechanisms.
Created using Powtoon.